The human body is a remarkable machine capable of incredible feats of strength, balance, and agility. At the heart of this intricate system lies a framework of bones, a living structure we call the skeleton. This framework provides the support and structure that allows us to stand upright, move with purpose, and protect our delicate internal organs. From the top of our skull to the tips of our toes, our bones are constantly at work. They provide the scaffolding upon which our muscles attach, enabling movement and locomotion. Without bones, we would be shapeless and immobile, unable to interact with the world around us. The human skeleton is composed of 206 bones, each with its own unique shape, size, and function. Some bones are large and sturdy, designed to bear weight and withstand impact. Others are small and delicate, providing intricate connections and facilitating precise movements. Perched atop our spinal column, the skull is a complex and fascinating structure. It serves as the protective helmet for our most vital organ, the brain. The skull is not a single bone, but rather a collection of 22 intricately interlocked bones. These bones are fused together by special joints called sutures, creating a strong and rigid enclosure. The skull also houses and protects our sensory organs, including our eyes, ears, and nose. The mandible, or lower jawbone, is the only movable bone in the skull, allowing us to chew food and speak. Running down the center of our back is the spinal column, often referred to as the backbone. This remarkable structure is made up of 33 individual bones called vertebrae, stacked one on top of another. The spinal column provides the central support for our upper body, allowing us to stand upright and bend and twist with flexibility. Between each vertebra are discs of cartilage acting as cushions and shock absorbers. The spinal column also serves as a protective channel for the spinal cord, a vital part of our nervous system. This delicate bundle of nerves runs through the center of the vertebrae, transmitting messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Encasing our heart and lungs is the rib cage, a protective barrier formed by 12 pairs of ribs. These curved bones attach to the spinal column in our back and curve around to the front, where most connect to the sternum or breastbone. The rib cage acts like a shield, protecting our vital organs from external impacts and injuries. The ribs also play a crucial role in respiration, the process of breathing. As we inhale, our rib cage expands, allowing our lungs to fill with air. When we exhale, our rib cage contracts, forcing air out of our lungs. This rhythmic expansion and contraction of the rib cage are essential for life, ensuring a constant supply of oxygen to our body. Section 5. Arms and hands, tools for interaction. Our arms and hands are marvels of engineering, allowing us to interact with the world in countless ways. The upper arm bone, the humerus, connects to the shoulder blade or scapula at the shoulder joint. The forearm consists of two bones, the radius and ulna, which allow for rotation and flexibility. Our hands are intricate structures, each composed of 27 bones. The wrist contains 8 small bones called carpals. The palm is formed by 5 metacarpal bones, and our fingers are made up of 14 phalanges. This complex arrangement of bones, along with numerous muscles, tendons, and ligaments, allows for the incredible dexterity and precision grip of the human hand. Section 6. Legs and feet. Foundations for movement. Our legs and feet provide the support and propulsion for our movement. The femur or thigh bone is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. It connects to the pelvis at the hip joint and to the lower leg bones at the knee joint. The lower leg consists of 2 bones, the tibia or shin bone and the fibula. Our feet, like our hands, are complex structures designed for both support and movement. Each foot contains 26 bones, including the tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. The tarsals form the ankle and heel, while the metatarsals make up the arch of the foot. The toes, like our fingers, are composed of phalanges. This intricate network of bones, ligaments, and muscles allows us to balance, walk, run, and jump with remarkable agility. Section 7. Joints, where bones meet and move. Joints are the points where 2 or more bones meet, allowing for movement and flexibility. There are several types of joints in the body, each designed for a specific range of motion. Hinge joints, like those in our elbows and knees, allow for movement in one direction, like a door hinge. Ball and socket joints, found in our shoulders and hips, allow for a wider range of motion in multiple directions. Joints are held together by tough bands of tissue called ligaments. Cartilage, a smooth and slippery tissue, covers the ends of bones at joints, reducing friction and allowing for smooth movement. Joints are essential for our mobility, enabling us to perform a wide range of activities, from walking and running to writing and playing musical instruments. Section 8. Bone growth and healing. A remarkable process. Our bones are not static structures but are constantly growing, remodeling and repairing themselves throughout our lives. In childhood and adolescence, our bones grow rapidly in length and width, fueled by calcium, vitamin D and other essential nutrients. This process continues until we reach our full adult height, typically in our late teens or early 20s. Even after we stop growing, our bones continue to undergo a process called remodeling. Old bone tissue is constantly being broken down and replaced with new bone tissue. This ongoing process ensures that our bones remain strong and healthy throughout our lives. Section 9. Caring for our skeletal system, a lifelong endeavor. Our skeletal system is a remarkable and resilient framework, but it's essential to take care of our bones throughout our lives to ensure their strength and longevity. Consuming a balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients is crucial for bone health. Regular weight-bearing exercise such as walking, running, and weight training helps to strengthen bones and prevent bone loss. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is also important, as these habits can weaken bones. By making healthy lifestyle choices and taking steps to protect our bones, we can help ensure that our skeletal system remains strong and functional for years to come. Our bones are the foundation upon which our lives are built, allowing us to move, explore, and experience the world around us.